ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ki Pulit jong ke Ribhoi district ki balayo jingtip ke babenya nagi tenat sentiat haga khandre terik benar rempang arjar arpoar kilayo bat ya ka wei ke kali nega jelna Assam ke badannya registration number AS01LC 1112 ke bakit de ki pauteli ki Tiar Pynbthei haga jingkenra ya ke kali ki Pulit kilayo Kurup arsong ki berni bala thep ya ki aluminium electronic detonators ke badan hadu san pauteli bat khan arsong ki neo gelatin sticks hakabedai bat kene ke jingjia ki Pulit kila kemno yo nongnya ajong ke kali ba yo nongbut naga benta ban penlong ye ke jingto kit ke babenia Superintendent of Police jong ke Ribhoi district Ugiri Prasad uliyatho bagani ke kali ke dai ke bawan East Jaintia Hills district ban lait Sharani Bazar Guwahati bat kene ke jingthmu kala pulom no hadin baki Pulit kila yo bat ya kene ke kali da ga penlong ye ke jingtalasi ya ki kali ha bernihat police outpost go.
Around 16th February, so night 2 o'clock, so we received information from a reliable source that a particular vehicle suspected to carry explosives in huge numbers, which may be illegal in nature. So then a team under IC Barnihat has set up a Naka around 2 o'clock. And we are checking the vehicles, all the vehicles, light vehicles and other vehicles which are suspected to carry explosive substances. So around 5 o'clock, the one vehicle number AS01LC 1112 was intercepted by the Barnihat outpost Naka. So the vehicle initially did not stop while checking, and the vehicle was followed up to 12th mile, and they have been detained at 12th mile. So after detaining the vehicle, then there were two occupants in the vehicle. So in the interest of investigation, we will not reveal the two occupants of the vehicle. Then once the vehicle was checked, then it was found that there were almost 24 packets of aluminium electronic detonators. So the number of detonators might be around approximately 1200 in numbers. Along with it, there were around 305 kgs of gelatin sticks, neo-gel gelatin sticks, which were seized from the vehicle. Along with that, there is also two mobile phones seized from the accused, and the accused have been arrested, and Nongpo PS case 22/2022 under section 5A of Explosive Substances Act has already been registered, and the matter is still under investigation. So far this much only can be revealed, and further details will be followed up. And one more thing I would like to say that Meghalaya State Police have intensified the crackdown on illegal proliferages of explosives, because they might be used for any other activities which are not legal and lawfully permitted. So that is the main thing, and this exercise will keep continuing in the district, and any substances, explosive substances which are unauthorized or illegally transported, the exercise against that will keep continuing. There is no legal documents. That is why we have initiated the case, because ideally for transportation of explosives, they should carry proper documents, and the vehicle also should be authorized. This had come from, suspectedly to come from, further investigation will reveal much more details, come from East Jaintia Hills, Ladranbai. And supposedly the vehicles was proceeding towards Rani Bazar of Guwahati, where supposedly it has to be delivered to someone, which we are still investigating.